Hello everyone, this is TCJ speaking, coming to you from the computer lab once again. So today I'm going to be doing another model review video, and it's been quite a while since I did my last model railway review video. So today I'm going to be doing a review on a certain model, well, hence the title. Pretty much a little bit of how I got this model, as it was really hard to get this model in its certain paint job which we have in the box that I'm about to show in a second, and pretty much a little bit about its history. I'm not going to try to explain the whole thing because it's really big on Wikipedia. So without further ado, today I'm going to be doing a review video on the SDS models DCC and Sound NR class locomotive. So the NR class are a class of Australian diesel locomotive that were built between 1996 and 1998. They used to be owned by National Rail and are currently operated by Pacific National, and nowadays you can see them hauling goods trains to Perth, Adelaide, Melbourne, Sydney and Brisbane, and also they could be seen doing long passenger train runs such as the Indian Pacific, the Garn, the Great Southern, recently gone now Southern Spirit, and the Overland. Speaking of the Overland, inside of this box we actually have NR76 in the proposed Overland livery with DCC sound. This proposed livery was going to be an actual livery they were going to give to one of these NRs, which was NR76, which I believe. There were other proposed liveries for this one as well, but they never made it to production, besides the Southern Spirit and the yellow Indian Pacific livery, which for NR18, which is now the leader of the Garn livery now, which is pretty sad. So won't see that one in Indian Pacific livery ever again. But that's not our main focus at the moment, but we're gonna open up the box and show off the Overland NR class and see how it runs and its sound features. So off the box lid. It's also got the diagram of each function. Oh, I'm sorry about the shadow, but it's in there. And it's also attached to the box, so you won't even lose it. There you go. Got this plastic cover thing, so I won't. Also got your lighting for DC operations. So there's little switches underneath where the mode thing underneath has switches on it for the lights. Does it? Oh, let's go in. Yeah, there's the model inside the foam covered box. Take it out slowly. Also, what you get in the box as well is a little bag with spare horns for front and back if you lose them. And here is an R76. It's also got some foam to cover the hand railings so they don't break while inside the box. Put them down. There was one on the other side. So there you go. That's an R76 in the proposed Overland livery. It's a really nice livery. I wish they could have made it into production, but it's really sad. But the engine now, current days, is now in the Pacific National livery. Standard Pacific National livery, I think. Yeah, PN intermodal. So, yeah, what I think about the livery is superb. Though that like I said, I wish it would have made it to production, but sadly enough, not all liveries made it to the thing. But we'll also go through some of the sound features now. I'll go put it on my model train table and go through some of the sound features. So let's go. Okay, so now we've got the NR class onto the train tracks for its official running around the train tracks. So I'll go through some of the DCC sound functions that we have on the box. So first, the functions all go from F0 or F1 to F18, which are the F0, the headlight, F1, the bell, F2, the playable horn, F3, drive hold, F4, dynamic brake, F5, locomotive brake, F6, ditch lights, F7, front marker lights, F8 is your primer mover, which is starting up the engine, F9 is your rear marker lights, F10 is the coupler, F11 is coast, F12 is heavy load, F13 headlight dimmer, F14 shunting mode, and F15 sound fader, which pretty much just makes the engine and sounds a lot quieter. We also got F16, which is your sanding valve, which I will also play at one part. F17 is your compressor mute, and F18 is your air dryer, which will also mute. So let's quickly get the locomotive, set it up, and start her up. Well, there you have it, folks. That was NR76 in the proposed Overland livery with DCC and sound. So yeah, this is my ever first model with DCC sound. What do I think of it? I'm pretty proud of it, and I can't wait to take it out to AMRA, the Australian Motor Railway Association, for their Australian DCC running sessions, or maybe a play date. You never know. There might be a video on it, or maybe not, because I might not be trusted to film there. But I might ask a few friends if I can, or they can film it for me. Or any relatives. Anyway guys, hope you guys all enjoyed this model review video of NR76, and quite proud to have this model. So I'd like to wish everybody a lot of thanks for subscribing to this channel and all the likes. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on a new video. And comment down below what you liked about this video, and some feedback or anything that I want to do for the future. And also leave a like on the video as well. So thank you guys everyone for watching. Good night.